Want to know how to move or shift your project to a different location in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now once you have done that, here you should be seeing this open up right here. So this is currently your project and your file. So since you want to access project, first off, just simply hit towards window right here and then select project on top. So this will open up your current projects. So now just simply select the project that you want to move. Just simply right click on its name and here you should be seeing move. Just simply select it and here you can just simply type in or browse in the project location. Just simply select browse, file explorer should open up. You should be able to move it to anything and any place that you want. And that's it, super simple and easy. That's how you easily move your project to another location. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.